And cognitive foundation. How does a child develop cognitive foundation in a natural way? Did I show you this earlier? No. Okay. So children are born with, jumping again, inherent qualities and abilities. That is, whatever they are born with, it's there with them. And the context, when they engage with the context, that is the first sensory inputs. That's the contextual inputs. So the first layer of the foundation is sensory inputs. Second layer is when children connect those inputs and the words and the world are getting connected here. That's the second input. The third input, I think, is more inferential inputs. Children make inferences from that. They don't have, based on experience, and then on which then imagination and other things happen, and concepts and abstraction, all that happens in that process. Of course, this may not be in the right order, but roughly, but the first two are important. First two are important. The problem is that in the schooling system, the first two is not taken into consideration. The sensory inputs especially has no role. And based on all this, what concepts actually get formed? After abstraction, concepts form because of all this. It's like digestion. Everything happens and then finally digestion happens. So what we do here is that all the earlier things are forgotten. So abstraction itself is an internal process. You cannot deal with abstracted knowledge. You can't deal with that actually. So an important word is called self-organization, which means things get organized from within. You cannot do your own self-organization, because many of these alternative people now talk about you self-organize. That's stupid actually. Self-organization means something is happening within you, not you cannot do it. So as we engage with the context, we begin to construct knowledge. So there is an underlying foundation, and it builds in a very, very organic manner. Now that is what gets disturbed when you go into the schooling system, which doesn't take care of an organic evolution of your foundation. And this is very crucial up to 12 years.